Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we are going to be learning how to conserve battery on your smartphone while playing Lords Mobile. If you are grinding in Lords Mobile but your phone keeps dying too soon, then here's how you can save that precious battery life. First of all, open up your Lords Mobile game on your device and then from the home screen, tap on the gear icon at the bottom right. Now this will open up the Others menu from where you'll need to tap on Settings. Now inside Settings, scroll down and go to Frame Rate. Click on Low under Frame Rate, and once you do that, this will help you conserve your battery life while playing the game. You can now get back by tapping on the cross icon at the top right and enjoy your game. After you do that, Lords Mobile will no longer drain your battery while playing the game. That is how you can conserve battery while playing Lords Mobile. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.